How did a share worth 3.53 rupees see a 66 lakh percent growth in just one day? Let's take a look. Whenever share prices start rising dramatically in a heady bull market, the wisest investors remind newcomers that trees don't grow to the sky. However, small cap stock Elcid Investments has gone down in the history of Dalal Street as a rare exception with a mind-boggling 66,92,535% jump in share prices, leaving both old and young investors dumbfounded. The little-known stock, which was traded only once in 2024, saw just 500 shares change hands at 3.53 rupees per share on June 21st. On Tuesday, October 29th, its share price suddenly jumped to 2,36,250 rupees with a small trading volume of 241 shares. That amounts to an unprecedented rise of 66,92,535% in just one day. At a per share price of 2.36 lakh rupees, Elcid is now India's most highly priced stock, surpassing MRF's 1.2 lakh price tag. This overnight success has turned even a small investment like 10,000 rupees into a staggering 67 crore rupees in just a few months. In fact, at 2.36 lakh rupees, one share of Elcid is worth more than Nvidia and FANG stocks put together. So how could a stock jump by 6.7 million percent in a single trading session when we have daily upper circuit limits to control volatility on the both sides? So what is Elcid Investments and who owns it? Mumbai-based Elcid is an NBFC in which the promoters of Asian Paints own a 75% stake, while Hydra Trading and 3A Capital Services hold stakes of 9.04% and 3.34% respectively. Elcid holds a 1.28% stake in Asian Paints, which is worth around 3,600 crore rupees, accounting for about 80% of the NBFC's total market cap of around 4,725 crore rupees. Even at 2.3 lakh rupees per share, Elcid trades at a price to book multiple of just 0.38 according to calculations done by Samco Securities. The company reported revenues of 235 crore rupees in FY24, mostly from dividends, and profits of 176 crore rupees. So why was it trading at 3.5 rupees? Now, despite being priced at around 3 rupees per share since 2011, Elcid's book value stood at an impressive 5,85,225 per share. Due to this significant discount, existing shareholders were unwilling to sell the stock at low prices, leading to negligible trading volumes. Most shareholders have been reluctant to part with any shares in the company, resulting in the stock price stagnation in the low single digits for over a decade. Investors must note that share price and valuation are different concepts. A high share price doesn't necessarily mean expensive, just like a low share price doesn't directly mean that the stock is cheap. So why did Elcid's share price rise multi-fold in one day? Life changed for Elcid shareholders after SEBI asked the stock exchanges to conduct a special price discovery session to aid the valuation of holding companies like Elcid. As part of the new mechanism, the BSE and NSE held a special call auction session this week with no price bands for holding companies to improve liquidity and facilitate fair price discovery. Elcid was one such listed investment company that had been trading infrequently and at significantly lower prices than its book value. The special session this week led to fair value discovery in the stock, resulting in a 6.7 million percentage increase, marking the highest single day gain ever. Even when it wasn't valued correctly earlier, Elcid Investments was generous in rewarding its shareholders with high dividends. In FY24, the company declared a dividend of 25 rupees, translating to an industry best dividend yield of over 708%. The dividend yield is calculated by dividing the annual dividend per share by the share price. Well, that is all for today. Stay tuned to ET Markets for more.